In today's video, we will be talking about Canva, how to use Magic Morph. Now, Magic Morph is a new feature in Magic Studio. So let's go check it out. To be able to find the Magic Morph, simply scroll down a bit as you can see, and you will be able to see this option Magic Morph. Now, Magic Morph will allow you to transform words or shape with a simple written prompt. So let's click on this so that we can see a preview. And this is how it would work. Simply start by typing how you want your text or element to look. Then watch as the subject change into the style that you describe. And you could use it to enhance different types of text or shapes and quickly create graphics or spark creative ideas. As you can see here. That this is like an example over here on the right side. So let's go try it out. Let's click on Magic Morph. And we will be redirected to another page and go and see how it works. Let's demonstrate how we will be able to utilize this new feature. And as you can see here, it will show us an instructional part over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the specific element that you want to morph. Then you're going to simply type in any prompt that you want. Now, there are some examples over here already. Some balloons, pumpkin, or wood. There are a lot of examples. So for me, let's say fire. Or let's simply say fire. Since it's a star either way. Then after that, you're simply going to click on Magic Morph. Then after that, it will generate 4 image. It's like an image generator where it's going to generate us 4 image for us to choose options from. And it is completely up to you as the users to choose which one you want. Now, this is not limited to element itself. You will be able to do this on different text as well. But as you can see, you have your output over here. Now, let's actually change this to metal. Then click on morph. And let's see the one for the metal output this time. Then after that, we're going to try out on the specific text over here, which is to select the white star. So let's give it some time to load our option. Then we could choose from the output that we will be provided. And there we go. We have our output over here. We have all of this option over here. Simply select the one that you want. Then for the text itself, as you can see, select the white star. It will be selected over here. We can change it into a balloon if you want. Then click on Magic Morph. And we will be able to turn the specific text into a balloon design, such as this one over here. So let's give it some time as well. And there we go. We have 4 different outputs over here. It's a bit hard to see. But as you can see, this is like the effect over here. Let's try to zoom it in. There we go. Our very simple select the white star has now an effect of a balloon, as you can see here. You could use this for a lot of different ways. And there's a lot of potential. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to use the Magic Morph of our Magic Studio over here. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.